experience the other boundless marvels of life the world can offer. Man traveled to serve his purpose and accomplish what is written in his palm lines when he was still unborn. If I connect this perfect perspective to my own life, in my life and that there is that insightful similarities. I was assigned here in the district of Ibay East, not just for personal reason, but to follow official order issued by the Office of the Schools Division Superintendent. Because of the fact that I view myself like most of you here as a good soldier, sorry. Because hindi medyo may tagod-tagunan kang matay. That when order comes, where circumstances requires your presence and assistance, we are always there to accept obligation and ensure appropriate actions, and that defines the meaning of the word service. Service is what is life all about. I was assigned here on December 18, 2018 and was welcomed by teachers and school heads with acceptance. That was a memorable moment for me. However, after 24 days, on January 11, 2019, the District of Ibay West was added to my assignment. It was really one of the most challenging moments in my life as public servant, since I have to serve 3 districts. However, from that instance, I witnessed the unity in action of the 2 districts composing this municipality, and the splendor of your rich culture and tradition, carefully preserved and sustained for the younger generation to witness and enjoy. Credit to the vision and leadership of the local and municipal leaders, always positively inculcating the notion of one Ibay, the tagline that earns my admiration. My life here was challenging because of the distance of my office to my residence. But joy through camaraderie was always present to inspire me. I was motivated by people who were always willing to work side to side with me. This is not a big district, but there is an abundance of people whose willingness to serve are commendable. They knew the implication of responsiveness and were always prepared to deal with tasks assigned to them. And really, there were times that we exceeded beyond our limits. Memories of my stay with you for almost 5 years will certainly be kept in my inner self, that as long as my senses are working, that as long as my perception is functioning, the name of this district that once accommodated me with open arms, that once gave me a distinct kindness and respect, with you school heads and teachers as the main performers, will be valued and cherished with thanksgiving in my heart. School heads and teachers, including the non-teaching personnel, thank you very much, and please inform your stakeholders, our stakeholders, that I, your former district head, is grateful for the support and cooperation that they have extended for doing their share so that tasks, programs, activities, and projects of the Department of Education channeled in my office towards your jurisdiction were given action and accomplished in your school and localities in the given time for the benefit of the learners. To Governor Jose Enrique Miraflores, the man behind my designation as PSDS Olibay during his term as municipal mayor, and the present local chief executive, Mayor Jose Miguel M. De Flores. Thank you for the trust and support extended to me. Likewise to Vice Mayor Honorable Julio Estudioso, the Sangguniang Bayan members, barangay officials, municipal employees. Thank you for the solidarity and help. And of course, our schools division superintendent. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir, for allowing me to transfer in my hometown. Ang sa tanan-tanan na nag-atender ng indayang programa, salamat, salamat, gid kinyo. Bibay, bahay!